These prom photos are straight fire. After a snowstorm made it nearly impossible for students to take their prom photos outside, the Forest Lake Fire and Rescue Department in Minnesota opened their doors so high school kids could take unique shots at the station. And it's safe to say that everyone was excited to get on the fire trucks. The decked-out teens were photographed with fire hats and extinguishers, and even got to pose with the firefighters. All in all, it looks like the roof was on fire at this prom photo shoot.